Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of lead generation? Well, you're about to find out. In the not-so-distant past, lead generation was a laborious task, often involving cold calls, mass emails, and a lot of guesswork. It was a numbers game with the focus on quantity over quality. But now we're seeing a shift. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making waves in the lead generation space. This disruptive technology is changing the way businesses find and engage potential customers. How so, you might ask? Well, AI leverages machine learning to analyze data and predict customer behavior, allowing businesses to target leads more effectively and efficiently. But what exactly is AI? In a nutshell, it's a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Its potential capabilities are vast, from recognizing patterns in data to making predictions about future behavior. Now that we've sparked let's delve deeper into how AI works in lead generation. But before we continue, let's pause for a moment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI in lead generation. Your support means a lot. So, how exactly does AI revolutionize lead generation? Let's break it down. First, AI works by analyzing vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends. It can sift through customer profiles, purchase histories, and social media interactions to pinpoint potential leads with high precision. Second, AI can automate the process of reaching out to these potential leads. No more countless hours spent on cold calling or sending out generic emails. AI can handle these tasks, freeing up time for you to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. Third, AI can improve the conversion rate by personalizing the interaction with each lead. It can tailor messages based on the lead's behavior and preferences, making the communication more relevant and engaging. As a result, AI can significantly streamline and optimize the process of lead generation. As you can see, AI can significantly streamline and optimize the process of lead generation. To wrap up, let's recap the key points about AI in lead generation. The advantages of utilizing AI in this field are manifold. It brings unmatched efficiency by automating the process of identifying and targeting potential leads, saving businesses countless hours. It also enhances accuracy by using data-driven insights to target the right prospects, reducing the risk of wasting resources on unproductive leads. But perhaps the most transformative benefit of AI is its ability to personalize lead generation. By analyzing data on a granular level, AI can tailor strategies to individual prospects, making your outreach more effective and impactful. AI is not just a tool, but a revolution in lead generation. It changes the game, turning the old manual ways of lead generation on their head. We've walked you through the step-by-step process of how AI works in lead generation, showing you how it can be a game changer for your business. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer in lead generation. If you're not leveraging it yet, now is the time to start.